हेलो एवरीवन। आज हम पॉलीज एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एन पार्टिकल सिस्टम के लिए बात करेंगे। मैं डॉक्टर अल्पना कोकरू, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर फिजिक्स, एसपीसी गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज अजमेर। पॉलीज एक्सक्लूजन प्रिंसिपल ऑफ एन पार्टिकल्स, श्रोडिंगर्स इक्वेशन, टाइम डिपेंडेंट इक्वेशन फॉर ए सिस्टम ऑफ एन पार्टिकल्स can be written as IH cross dy dt of psi 1 2 3 rs n particles तक into t is equal to h operator 1 2 3 to n psi 1 2 3 n तक. If we permit the argument of psi in the way say IH cross dy dt psi 1 2 3 s r n t or is equal to h operator 1 2 3 s r n psi 1 2 3 2 s n तक h operator 1 2 3 r s n psi 1 2 3 r s n. Equation number 28, that is the resulting solution is also the solution of equation 27. H operator is symmetric with respect to the exchange of the identical particles. The resulting equation is same as for unperturbed psi. In the way n solutions can be obtained from any given solution, each of which corresponds to one of the factorial n permutations of n arguments of psi. Any linear combination of these functions in a symmetric wave function and the antisymmetric unnormalized wave function is constructed by adding together all the permuted functions which results from each number of changes from original solution and subtracting from this the sum of all permuted functions arising from odd number of changes from original solutions. Hence, an antisymmetric state wave function which remains non-vanishing cannot be constructed from the solution that remains unchanged by the interchange of particles. Since Hamiltonian does not involve time, the stationary solution can be found on writing equation 27 as H operator psi is equal to 0, equation 29 where psi 1 2 3 Sn is equal to psi 1 2 3 Sn e to the power minus iota et upon h cross. If we now neglect the interaction between individual particles, then H0 1 2 3 Rsn is equal to H0 dash 1 H0 dash 2 and so on, where H0 1 2 3 n is unperturbed Hamiltonian for the complete system, while H0 1 are the Hamiltonian unperturbed for individual particles. When this is true, we can write it as psi 1 2 3 n is equal to psi n 1 1 psi n 2 2, similarly psi n n n. Say equation 31, where n1 n2 nn are total quantum numbers indeed to represent the state. E is equal to En1 plus En2 plus Enn, equation 32. E is the total energy of the system. Further, the wave functions are such that they obey the relation H0 dash operator H operator psi n11 is equal to Enn psi n1 etc. For Fermi particles, the antisymmetric state, which only describes the actual state, can be written by equation 23. The above mentioned A is a solution of the equation H operator 1 2 3 2 n psi a 1 2 3 2 n is equal to E psi 1 2 3 n, equation 34. The equation 33 suggests if two psi's are the same, the state does not exist. Thus, the unperturbed Hamiltonian has got no solution for the system in which more than two fermions are in the same state. This is again Pauli's principle and is a special case of general result. An antisymmetric state cannot be constructed from a solution which is invariant with respect to interchange of particle. Helium atom wave functions. For 2 electrons, psi A is equal to 1 upon under root 2 and can be given by equation 1. For helium atom in the ground state 1s2 and 1s2s excited state, for the ground state n equal to 1 0 0 half and n2 is equal to 1 0 0 minus 2. Thus resultant spin allowed is only 0 and the possible wave function will be given by equation 46. It belongs to the singlet ground state. In the excited state s equal to 0, s equal to 1, both are allowed because n is different and we have 4 possible functions, is equal to 1 upon under root given by these equation, and by solving this equation finally we get the final result, which is given by 1 upon under root un1 r1 un2 r2 minus un1 r2 un2 r2 into 1 upon under root 2 u v1 v2 v2 minus v1. The first 3 belongs to s equal to 1, ms equal to 1, 0 and minus 1 values, the triplet state, and the last one to s equal to 0 and ms equal to 0 values. In these representations, spin and space functions have been separately normalized and every survived state is antisymmetric state. Tomorrow we will discuss about Pauli's spin matrix.